Okay, so hi everyone. I know it's been so long that I haven't posted a video, but I will try to be consistent this time and post some videos regularly. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about cars, and I will try to make this video in English so that it reaches out to a larger group of audience. I bought this car like a few months ago, so I just wanted to share my experience and what you should keep in mind while buying a car, being a student or while being on work permit or anything like that. So here we go. So first thing first, when you should buy this car. Obviously, there are certain expenses that you have to keep in mind before buying a car. So whenever you're ready to fulfill those expenses, that's the right time for you to buy a car. So there are some certain monthly expenses that are gonna empty your pocket for sure. First of all is insurance of the car. It depends upon your age, car color, number of doors in your car, the license that you have, and much more. I think I've told everything. First is insurance. Second is car EMI. Either you take it on finance or buy it on cash. Car EMI. Next is oil change that you have to do every 3 months. Well, it depends upon the number of kilometers that you run. It's usually 5,000. So if you're planning to do skip and rides, it will take you a month to cover those 5,000 kilometers. And the next comes the gas, obviously, along with some unexpected expenses that you might face. So whenever you're ready to cover all these expenses, then yes, you are ready to buy a car. So now, considering the time when you can buy a car, when it will be the most profitable for you. First thing is, if you're a student, then you should buy your car on your break so that you can work full time. There is no limitation on the hours. You can do skip as long as you want, so that you can earn the amount to cover your college fees, to give the EMI of the car, to cover all those monthly expenses. But if you buy the car after the break, then again you will be on the 20-hour limit per week. So that will reduce the possibility for you to cover all your expenses. Or if you're not a student, then you must be on your work permit or you are a PR holder. If you can manage the monthly expenses and you have a job to fulfill all that, then yeah, why not buy a car? Either of your choice or of your pocket's choice. So now the question arises that what kind of car one should buy. So according to me, there are two types of cars. One is vehicle, the mode of transportation, and the second is attire. So being a student, I think that having a vehicle is sufficient for me, and looking for an attire during a lockdown to buy some groceries and everything, I don't think it will allow my pocket. So yeah, it all depends upon you to choose between these two. So now if you think about from where one should buy a car, then there are again two options. First is either from dealers or from private, like Kijiji or something. So if we buy it from a dealer, like from a showroom, which might have cars from different brands as well, like old cars and new ones as well. So first of all, they will provide you with the necessary documents like safety, which we will discuss about later, and insurance, which is your choice. Either you can buy it on your own or let the dealers decide. They also provide you with a particular duration of the warranty and guarantee of the car, like 1 or 2 years depending upon them or on any different aspects. So all in all, it is a safe option that they provide you with everything, but they charge you their fees as well. So I'll say that buying a car from a dealer is just like getting everything served on a plate, but you would have to pay for it. The next thing comes buying the car from the private sellers, like through Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace. But again, this comes with a risk because they won't provide you with any warranty or guarantee, because obviously it will be an old car. They want to sell it because of a reason. But again, if all the circumstances are fine, like some people just sell the car because they want to buy a new one, just like us, like the students. So in that case, you should focus on some documents that the seller should be providing you to make you sure that the car is trustworthy and worth buying. The first document for that is safety of the car. which ensures that car is fully functioning. It does not have any trouble in it. So if you get the safety from the seller, then it should be good to go. And the second document is Carfax report. It says that the car hasn't been met with an accident yet, and the number of kilometers hasn't been touched. So these two documents are the responsibility of the seller to give you. They have the choice not to give it to you, but again, then you also have the choice not to buy the car. Okay, so now the time has come that you have finalized the documents, that yes, the seller is ready to give you everything that you want. Now what you should look for is price match, like if the seller is selling it for the right price or not. So to check that, you have two websites that I would recommend. First is autotraders.ca, and the second one is kbb.ca, Kelly Blue Book. And yeah, I will obviously put the links in the description. So these two sites are good to compare the prices, if the seller is selling it for the right price or not. Now you have compared the prices as well. Now you're ready to buy the car, you're ready to spend the money. So you will need some documents which are really crucial. First is safety, without which you won't be getting your insurance. So safety, then comes insurance, and then comes the ownership of the car, which has the signature of the owner and your signature. So it says that this guy has sold this car to that guy. So all these three documents, you have to take it to the Service Ontario and get your car registered under your name, get your number plates and everything. You can buy your customized number plates for $300 right now. Maybe it's around that only, and surely it will increase with time. So yeah, they will take around 10 minutes to do all this, and you will have your own car. Congratulations for that. So अब जब आओगे तो मुझे पार्टी ज़रूर देना. I hope it helps.